I have a couple sets of headphones on my desk that I want to organize with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might be like me and have a couple set of headphones at your desk. Maybe just for listening to music. I have some that are over the ear. I have a pair that are also like bone conduction, so they're much smaller. And I use them for different things, you know, for video conferences or for listening to music. And I wanted a better way to organize them. So I picked this up. It's by Elevation Lab. And what you can see here is it's basically like this T-hook, so I can put two sets of headphones. Now, the reason I have this is because I've been just kind of hanging them on a single hook. And that's been okay, except that I'm always getting the wires tangled up, and I wish that I had something like this where I could put one on one side and one on the other side, and I wouldn't have to worry about the wires getting crossed or wrapped around each other. Now, I will say it's kind of like a flexible rubber. It's kind of interesting. It doesn't have a lot of weight, but it feels decently robust. I don't feel like doing this to it is going to weaken it up and break it. And you can see it kind of looks like a boat anchor a little bit. You've got a little flange right there. And this should be nice because it should be plenty of space for me to put the headphones on either side. You can see that tees up right here, and looks like we have a little 3M sticky tape. I'm going to say that this looks like outdoor double-sided tape, so I think it's going to be, I wouldn't call it a permanent solution, but I would definitely suggest that if you put this on your desk, you should expect it to not fall off, especially under the weight of headphones. But getting this off and getting the residue off might actually be a little bit of a problem. Now, that's probably not going to be a problem on the underside of the desk, because that's where you're putting your boogers and the gum after you're done chewing it, especially if you're still in grade school. But just something to keep in mind, especially if you don't own your desk. So, and now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on and see if it solves my headphone problems. All right, so here's my standing desk, and I thought I would mount it right here. I don't want to put it too far out of the way. Seems to stick on there quite well and quite quickly. And now what I can do here is I can take this set of Bluetooth headphones and put them on this side. Then I can take my set of corded bone conduction headphones and have them right there. So pretty clever, simple, cheap. If you want to pick it up and organize your headphones, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.